Hello everyone! In today's video we are going to see how to use an easy command but extremely powerful. Let's get started. I already prepared a can and we select a plane tangent to the surface. Then open up an image from our library. I have this logo and rotate 270 degrees, enter, move a little bit on the right, move command, and sketch a construction line in the middle point, and project the geometry, construction line, middle point of the can. Now I want to constrain the top, bottom and middle point of the label with the can. Decal command, select the image, select the surface, enter, and I have this result. And the job is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below. Thank you.